currently New Year's Eve here in Norway in a snowstorm. The whole right is been blown over by the wind. Meters. 13. Okay, so the clock is exactly 00:13. Happy New Year, guys. And we're starting the new year with about 20 centimeters of snow. Look at this. Good amounts of snow here. Wow. Look at all the snow. Measure the snow. 13 centimeters. And see here, 13. So the forecast is saying it's getting colder, not below 0, only minus, like -1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to blow around 40-50 knots 4 days straight with minus, and this is snow, so it's going to blow in massive snow drifts around. This is the creek. New measurements. Watch the wind.